Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Make sure your Nothing Phone 1 is charged and unlocked. You will act fast. Open Settings, then scroll to About Phone. You must tap build number 7 times quickly. You will see a countdown or a message that you are X steps from being a developer. If prompted, enter your device PIN to confirm. Once done, settings will show developer options near System or Additional Settings. Make sure to stay on the screen so you can continue immediately. Once developer options appears, open it and flip the main toggle to on. This exposes many controls, so be deliberate. Look for USB debugging and enable it if you plan to use a DB or install apps from a PC. If you need bootloader access, find OEM unlocking, but only enable that when you understand unlocking risks, including data wipe. Make sure to read confirmation dialogues. Grant USB debugging trust to your computer when prompted. Finish by restarting your phone to ensure developer options and debugging persist across boots. Then connect to your PC and run a DB devices to confirm a connection. If developer options vanished, repeat the build number process and ensure your OS is up to date. Some updates can relocate menus. If your computer doesn't see the phone, revoke USB debugging authorizations in developer options, reconnect, and accept the trust prompt. One key tip: always back up before enabling OEM unlock or making system changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.